Well, he bataka make. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings nation. And no, we no need no ladder. No, welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one that we can bring you. Another important reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the blogging truth. Yes, viewers and subscribers, now reputed gang leader Christopher Dawg Paw Linton has been freed by the Court of Appeal. Now, viewers and subscribers, I am not here to say Dawg Paw should remain behind the bars. I was not a witness to any of the crimes pinned to him or his co-accused. And as a matter of fact, to date, I not hear the DPP fouled out with any form of statement, viewers and subscribers. I will, however, say this case definitely exposed the prejudice in a Vybz Kartel's case, even as it reached before the Privy Council. And that is why them now want to release the exhibit. The clear case prejudice, even when the case was before the appeal court. But from all indications that even this case itself, remember, courthouse is not a place for gut feeling. It's a place where you must have the evidence. Now, viewers and subscribers, Mr. Linton received this news after serving, we just say, a couple months and couple weeks over 7 years behind the bars. Now, viewers and subscribers, Dawg Paw was never sentenced to life. He was serving a 15-year sentence and a conviction for a 2012 case of shooting at the security forces. Something they were able to prove during the trial, but I guess it never hold up during the appeal process. Now, viewers and subscribers, think about it. In a Vybz Kartel's case, viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, tampered with evidence was used in the initial trial. All of that was documented and highlighted and presented to the appeal court. How is it Vybz Kartel and his co-accused are still behind the bars with no forensic evidence, nobody to point to, nothing to point to the fact that a crime even took place? Remember, the evidence for them use, them point to text message conversations and saying this is a smoking gun. This is our point to the fact that something happened. And when we realize that these messages spanned over different weeks and months within the year and was pieced together, stitched together and presented as one conversation. Now, the co-accused in that case, Mikar Allen, was also freed by the Court of Appeal, viewers and subscribers. In a Vybz Kartel and his co-accused case, think about it. Sean Storm phone where them used to put him as an accomplice. Or say, yo, or where them used to say he had a role to play in the incident that they claim took place, because them can never prove. It has never been proven, viewers and subscribers, that whatever they said took place did occur. The place where them said take place. There was never any forensics there, and you can't completely get rid of forensics without experts. So what them a try say? Are the JCF go they go clean it up? What them a try say? Now I know some people wonder which lawyer get them off of this. Now they were represented by attorneys Robert Fletcher and Patrick Peterkin. I don't know them, but them definitely in the history books now where criminal justice is concerned. People are definitely a call whichever law office them attached to. Now let's keep in mind, viewers and subscribers, at one point Linton was Jamaica's most wanted individual. And this individual has won his case. Them couldn't prove what them accused him of. And he's now a free man along with his co-accused. Viewers and subscribers, it's clear. There were outside influences in a Vybz Kartel trial. There were outside influences in a Vybz Kartel appeal. And there are now outside forces, viewers and subscribers, in the Privy Council process. Why them a lamp on the device? Only because of one thing. Them know the freedom, viewers and subscribers. Them know that once this case is presented to courts outside of their control, viewers and subscribers, them know the teacher has to be released. The co-accused names have to be cleared. Two of them now can just return to the streets right away. But at least these charges will be expunged from their record. And them now, I think about that. I said that's an additional charges, additional years. Them can say, alright, soon and very soon we can see your family and loved ones. This clearly prove it. No matter what an individual is accused of, the court is not a place for gut feeling. So if you cannot prove accusations, viewers and subscribers, then obviously any individual being accused of anything has or have the right to be freed on those charges. It is not about what you think, me think, he, she, and the old lady. Is what the prosecutor can prove in a court of law without tampering with the evidence, without a false statement, viewers and subscribers. This was a very interesting development where the justice system is concerned, viewers and subscribers. And for all who wonder, well, will Vybz Kartel be freed based on the fight they received from the system and the fact that there are people who don't want to see him released? Now think about it. Even in a Dawg Paw case, we know there are different members of society, especially people of, in high places, who don't want him returned from the streets neither. Them try. But as I say, the law is the law, viewers and subscribers, and there's no way around that. So even when a trial takes place, as long as someone decides, say, alright, they're going to appeal them case, and they have the right lawyers who present the right findings, we say, what take place in the case, man? It shouldn't happen. That shouldn't go on. Then obviously that individual will be released based on the law and the constitutional right given to every citizen of the country. So I'm not about who like who, or who rate who, or who have the right links. Now what them try for the viewers and subscribers as we speak about the outside influence. This probably happened while none of them never to realize the backlog where they are the court. And remember, unless somebody calls somebody and tell them this is going to take place, even though this is an appeal case. So the Office of Public Prosecution was aware that this appeal was taking place. The public was unaware, but the Office of Public Prosecution was definitely aware. This is an individual who was based in St. Andrew. Know what I mean? The corporate area where them accuse him of carrying on most of the acts them where them claims him carry on. This is a known individual, a reputed organized gang leader. And he's freed. And that's what I'm saying. We're not there to talk about who's supposed to be a jail or who's supposed to be or who's supposed to be where. That is a matter for judge and jury. What we are here to present, viewers and subscribers, is that Vybz Kartel should have been released from his appeal hearing based on what we see right here. Based on what we see right here. When you talk to me in the comment section, I definitely want to hear what you have to say about this. Definitely a story where everybody and them friends have something to say about. You know what I mean? We don't know what going on with Javelin, Remember, for those who are not in the know, Miss Breakspears' daughter was once, or is currently still, because I'm baby mother, Mr. Linton's baby mother, who is now Javelin' baby mother. So we don't know what going on this. Know what I mean? It was in the past though. As we were saying, they done a serve a sentence already. And you know what I mean? She out there. So we don't know if they made separate or she do this behind him back. It was something we covered widely in the media. So if him never did know, like him there road, him know now. Know what I mean? But talk to me in the comment section. I know how to feel about the fact that Mr. Linton, aka Dawg Paw, and his co-accused was released by the Court of Appeal on shooting charges, shooting against the security forces themselves. Know what I mean? But that's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that, and when you put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know the something of viewers and subscribers. Drop a like on the blog, bust a share on the blog in truth. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can contain the reasoning via the comment section. You know, move settings fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course we wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again. And young artists, young entertainers, DM the IG page for review details. You know, now inquire about it, just DM the IG page for further details. Up move settings.